Water, the driving force of all nature, the unbreakable lifeline threading through our mountains, deserts, and valleys. It powers everything. Homes rising from the ground, schools filled with laughter, churches standing strong, dreams taking shape across northern Nevada and beyond. For more than 60 years, Western Nevada Supply has channeled this vital force to serve every community, every contractor, every need. All of it flows blue, surging straight into the heart of this team, the Blue Team. And right here in Sparks, that heartbeat begins. Sparks is the heartbeat of Western Nevada Supply, encompassing 23 acres and over 200,000 square feet under roof. Sparks supports all of northern Nevada with 8 specialized service divisions: plumbing, waterworks, HVAC, landscape products, hydronics and solar, industrial PVF, mining, and a world-class Inspire kitchen and bath showroom. Each division is staffed with experts sourced from the industry, with hundreds of combined years of experience dedicated to their trades. Western Nevada Supply doesn't just serve the local contractors. We also serve the local communities, backing schools, youth sports teams, Boys and Girls Club, and other local initiatives. Simply, we make a difference in people's lives. This intense drive to serve reaches northward to Elko, our first branch, founded in 1981 in a small warehouse and expanded in 1999 to a dedicated facility. The Elko team serves every trade, from independent plumbers to the world's largest gold mines. West to South Lake, we've served the area since the early 1980s. And in 1996, we acquired Echo Plumbing Supply and continued strong local contractor relationships in this mountain gem. Heading south to Carson City with a 4th Street branch in 1996 and expansion to our current 4-acre facility in 2006. We supply all trades across Nevada's capital region, Carson, Douglas, and Lyon counties. Now into the eastern Sierras, Bishop. My father, founder Jack Revilio, began weekly truck deliveries in the late 1960s. He actually serviced this area himself. We went all in 1996 by purchasing a local supply house and expanded in 2003 to support contractors in this tight-knit community. Northward to Susanville, Lake Almanor, and Chester. We've served this area since the mid-1980s, opened a full branch in 1999, and building our current facility in 2004 to deepen our commitment to the community and the local trades. Through the forest of the High Sierra to Truckee, from the mid-1980s, we leased our first facility in 2002 and built a standalone in 2005. We serve all trades, ski resorts, municipality, and the unique projects of this high country community. In Winnemucca, since 2006 on Potato Avenue, equipping small plumbing, landscaping, and HVAC contractors alongside major gold operations in this beautiful rural town. And finally, south to Minden, furthering our dedication to rural communities, we launched our newest branch from valuable customer feedback, bringing our commitment to exceptional care into Douglas County. It's true that Sparks is a heartbeat of Western Nevada Supply, but a heartbeat alone can't serve an entire region. Our branches are the eyes that see the small contractors in remote places, the ears that hear the stories of people and projects that make Northern Nevada and Northern California special, the legs that travel every road to deliver what our customers need, and the arms and hands that do the work day in and day out. Together, every branch, every team member, every mile driven, we become one body, one voice with one purpose: to deliver unmatched customer service, no matter how remote the jobs or how unique the need. This Western Nevada Supply, this is the Blue Team.